As I'm discussing the Fatiha with you or saying things about Alhamdulillah, this is informative speech. Yes? It's informative speech. We take a break for Maghrib. You are leaving your chair and you're making lots of dua. Ya Allah, I have the front row seat. Let no one take this place. And so, as you are sitting there before the salams are said, you're like, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. And it's kind of, and then you dash back here and you elbow as many people as you can to get back in your chair, and you see that it's empty, and the first thing that comes out of your mouth is what? Alhamd. Now at that point, maybe nobody's in the hall yet. You're like, am I on the wrong floor? But when you say Alhamdulillah and nobody's even there, are you informing someone about Alhamdulillah? No. At that time, you use the same phrase Alhamdulillah for what? Expressing your emotions. If I'm teaching someone Alhamdulillah, then I am actually being informative. But if I'm saying it to myself, the same phrase, it can be emotional. You understand the difference? Now, let's talk about this. In the khutbah, when you go to the khutbah at the masjid, the khatib begins, Innal hamdalillah. You ever heard this? Innal hamdalillah. What's the first word you heard? Inna. Thank you for being awake. What's the first word you heard? Inna. Does anybody know what inna means? Certainly. For sure. Absolutely. Hamd is for Allah. Absolutely, hamd is for Allah. Now what's more powerful? Is saying hamd is for Allah more powerful, or saying absolutely hamd is for Allah? What sounds more powerful? Absolutely hamd is for Allah. Inna sounds more powerful. And the khatib uses it every Jum'ah. The question is, how come Allah didn't use it? How come Allah didn't say, Innal hamdalillahi rabbil alameen ar-Rahman ar-Rahim maliki yawmiddin? Yeah? Because it's a very powerful statement. Why not make it more powerful by adding inna? After all, you've been listening your whole life. Quran is perfect. You can't even add one word. You can't even add one word. It's perfect the way it is. So what difference would it make? I could just throw in a little inna. Khatib does it all the time. I could do it too. The only difference is when you use inna,